Along the path, bright signs appear, abilities unfold. They shimmer like a passing flame, too tempting to behold. Yet every gift that draws the eye can quietly delay. If held too close, it turns the gaze from where the soul must stay. Let every power rise and pass without a claim or name. They are not home, they are not truth, they are not why we came. Through quiet release, the path clears on, no stopping place remains. The spirit moves beyond all gifts, untouched by loss or gain. The doorway opens into sight, where wonders briefly stand. Yet lingering there binds the heart to what it cannot land. The deeper call moves ever on, past beauty, past display, toward what no power can replace or ever take away. Let every power rise and pass without a claim or name. They are not home, they are not truth, they are not why we came. Through quiet release, the path clears on, no stopping place remains. The spirit moves beyond all gifts, untouched by loss or gain. No pride remains, no hunger left to grasp or demonstrate. Each gift is used in service only, never held as fate. Freed from the pull of subtle words, the soul stands clear and whole, aligned with what is always one, beyond all separate role. Detachment seals the final gate, where freedom stands alone. No bond of power, fear, or want can claim the living soul. In isolated unity, the truth is fully known. The spirit rests stillness.